What's up guys, welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different from any video in the past just because I'm not actually going to be working on any cars or doing any car related stuff besides going on a road trip. So yeah, I just got the 4Runner pretty much all packed up, and me and my roommate are about to head out on like a little road trip slash camping trip. We are planning on camping like a new place every night, and the current plan is to go for like 3 days, but yeah, we'll see where that takes us. Right now the plan is to go to the north rim of the Grand Canyon, maybe camp there, and then I really want to head up to Utah, and I really want to hit Zion and Bryce, but we'll just kind of see where it takes us. I'm really just kind of going with the flow. We're just kind of winging it, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. And yeah, make sure you guys let me know what you guys think of this video. If you guys don't like it, if I should stick to the car videos, let me know. Yeah, we're gonna finish getting packed up right here. This is Cameron right here, my roommate. Yeah, we're about to head out, and we're just finished packing up, and yeah, we'll get to it. Alright, so we just made our first little pit stop here. We're right outside Flagstaff right now, right outside Flag in Sedona. So right now we're about to just head out, and we're gonna be on our way to part of the Grand Canyon that a lot of people don't really get to see. So we'll head over there, get to you guys then. Alright guys, and we made it to the Grand Canyon. So yeah, I'm parked right at the edge. This view is amazing. So yeah, I'm super stoked. Realistically, this area is kind of like private property. You're not really supposed to be here just because this is like Navajo land. So this is kind of like private property in a way. I work with the company that has a contract with the Navajo Nation. So over this past year, I've been working out here in the Navajo Nation. This is kind of why I've been able to get access and see a lot of cool views and stuff that typically a lot of people don't really get to see. Yeah, this view is awesome, and I really love just being able to park the 4Runner like literally right at the edge of the Grand Canyon. So like, just look at that view. It's crazy. And I'll try to get a better view of it somewhere else. Cameron's way down there if you can see him, but I'm gonna head down there. I'm gonna try to get a better view of the Little Colorado River, just because that is an actual really cool view, because this is where the Little Colorado River meets in and joins with the Colorado River. So the Colorado River, so that's north over there. The Colorado River is basically just flowing down this way, going over there towards like Nevada. Back of the 4Runner. I already lost my breath. Literally just climbing back up from that little rock up there. Man, this view is so sick. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, so we just made our final stop for today before actually stopping at our campsite. So we're over here at, it's like by Glen Canyon, and this is Navajo Bridge. So yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, do it. All right, guys, we just pulled up, got the campfire going. We're all ready to sing some Kumbaya and everything. So right now we're just on the north rim of the Grand Canyon, somewhere in the forest. So I'll probably pick back up again tomorrow for the next video, and tomorrow I'm gonna be heading to Zion. So make sure you guys look out for that. See you guys in the next one. Later. What's up, guys? So I'm just waking up right now. It is pretty early. It's cold out here. Got the fire going. Cameron's making some pancakes, or he's trying to make some pancakes. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, if you guys saw those clips, I woke up early in the morning and I was flying my drone around just to kind of get a couple of clips for this video. And as you guys saw, I crashed it. So yeah, it was not a really good start to this morning, but I did get it down from the tree. We were kind of going at it for like 20 minutes, throwing sticks and throwing rocks, trying to get it down from the tree. And we finally got it down, but it's broken. So really, really not a good start to the day. I'm really bummed about it. So yeah, we're just gonna kick it here a little bit, just kind of enjoy the views and wait for the sun to come up a little bit more. And then from here, we're gonna head out and then go kind of see some sights in the north rim of the Grand Canyon. So yeah, I'll get back to you then. What's up, guys? So it's day 3 right now, just waking up outside of Zion. So Zion's way back there in the background, so super cool views at this little camp spot. But sorry I didn't give you guys too many updates. We kind of got out of the North Rim a little bit later than we wanted to, so we didn't really have much time. We were kind of in a rush to get to find a campsite, just because we weren't really even sure. We just kind of found this spot last minute, and I mean, it's super sick. Look at that view over there. Yeah. So yeah, we just found this thing last minute in the night, when the sun was setting, and we got super lucky. So we're just getting everything packed up, and right now we're gonna head over to Zion. Maybe hike a couple trails or something, but yeah, we'll see from there. Choo! So we just pulled into Zion. Right now the main road that goes into Zion Canyon is actually only open to shuttles, so yeah, we're actually having to walk over to the shuttle stop. We're gonna have to take that in, and I think we're gonna go hike Angel's Landing. So yeah, it's probably the most popular trail here in Zion, but we'll go check it out. Chill. Alright, so we just made it back last night. I didn't really film too much after we left Angel's Landing, just because we were super tired after that, and we were kind of in a rush because we left Angel's Landing way later than we wanted to, because Cameron actually had work this morning at 4 in the morning, so kind of feel bad for that. But we kind of wanted to make it back at a good time. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you guys did enjoy. This is the first attempt at making some sort of travel video, travel vlog type of thing. I'm not too sure how it's gonna come out. Hope you guys enjoy some of those little photos in there. I definitely did learn a lot from this process, what not to do, and kind of to get more things and have my camera with me at all times. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if I should stick to making the car videos, or if you guys want to see more videos like this every now and again. So I'm not going to do this too often, but I do like to get out every now and then. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. But other than that, I'll see you guys next week. Later.